So guys, hey, things didn't work out as planned. I was hoping to get a, what is it called? I was hoping to get Bahrain visa on arrival. Didn't happen. They just brought so much drama. They were like, I can't get a visa on arrival, blah, blah, blah. I can't choose the Saudi visa. I can't use the UK visa, which I know is not true because I have previously come to Bahrain 2 times on the strength of my UK passport, but or my UK visa. So obviously, maybe things have changed or I don't know what happened, but I just wasn't in the mood for trying to beg because I believe things don't fall apart, they fall in place. And guess what happened? So, fortunately, Bahrain has a hotel right at the airport. So I decided to just stay at the hotel. And initially, I was looking to stay for just a few hours, just to make sure I rest because it's actually like 3 o'clock, I think, and my flight is tomorrow morning 9 a.m. So I went to the counter and guess what, guys? They gave me what is it called? They gave me so I wanted to do 12 hours, but I found a very, very nice guy and I requested for like, can you give me an upgrade? He was like, okay. So they've allowed me to check out tomorrow, 8 a.m. in the morning. And they gave me a very, very good discounted rate because I'm staying by myself. So things still work out. And let me give you a quick tour of my room. This is what you get as a standard room in Bahrain Airport. Let me show you. So they actually have 3 accommodation types. You can go in a sleeping pod or you can go in what is the other one? Sleeping pod just sleeping pod, you have shared bathrooms and toilet. And then there's sleeping pod comfort, which has your own personal bathroom. It's just a bunk bed. And then now there's a standard room and a family room. So I had opted to pay for a standard room because I was just like, no, I need my rest. Because tomorrow I'm arriving in Nairobi and going straight to work. So let me show you a quick tour of the room. What you get here at Bahrain International Airport for a standard room, the Bahrain International Airport Hotel. So I'm right at the door. You walk into the door like that. I've just walked into the door. I haven't even changed. And that is the wardrobe. There's some extra pillows there. There's a safe. There is, let's see what else they have here. They have an iron box. They have these sandals. They have shoe shine and sponge. There's an ironing board and there's 2 extra pillows. And then on the right here, I want to presume this is the bathroom. Oh yes, this is the bathroom. So you can see it's a proper toilet with shower. So you have like the full amenity kit, dental kit, all this bath sponge, everything is here. And that's yours truly. There's soap, lotion, there's a hair dryer, there's towels, enough of them. There's this one here, and that's the shower, proper rain shower, and shampoo, conditioner, shower gel. And then let me show you. So this, I think this is they call them what rooms, like adjacent rooms. And that's used truly. Those one and see my outfit of the day. I was hoping that I would get some mileage with this dress. Hey, wapi. And this is, guys, so I've already checked in my suitcase. I already checked in. That's my bag and everything else. Of course, I had to show you it's an LV. I've had it for almost 6, 7, 8, 9 years probably. And that's my bed, guys. Yep. It's really, really nice. I love it. Look at that lamp. A phone. Yeah, so that's the bed. That's the standard room. It's really beautiful. And there's like a whole chair here. Hey, guys. And there's even a sitting chair. I think like this is like for business people. Like charging ports and everything is here. Like everything internet if you want to put like the cable. I think that's it, and this is just like a lamp. So guys, I'm hiding on this part. So they actually come with there's a kettle there, you can boil water, and there's like there's actually a whole tea station here, which is good to know. And let's see what's in this fridge. Oh, I think you can just put your drinks there, which is good. The room comes with a TV. There's a bottle of water here. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. It's a non-smoking room. So it's a hotel, Bahrain Airport Hotel. So that's how the room looks like. So this room, I'm actually on the first one. Let me show you my view. I'm not on the air side, I think, which is a good thing because I don't want to be struggling with them. Okay, but it would have been nice to just see the aircrafts leaving and boarding and all that, but whatever. I think I could do with some silence. Yeah, so guys, that's the room. So this room, I got it for 75 Bahrain dirhams. That's about how many dollars? I don't remember, but it costed me Kenya shilling. It was about 24,000 Kenya shilling. So that's about I don't know, maybe $200. I don't know, maybe. But the room price was coming for 275 US dollars. So I think I have like maybe a discount of something, I don't know, but I was okay paying for that because initially those guys were telling me if I was able to get a visa on arrival, or I don't know, is it transit visa, whatever comes with the hotel, is like $105, but I don't know if it comes with transport and all that. And I know if I had wanted to come out, I would have gone to Twice. I was gonna, like, to be honest, guys, I was ready to spend that amount of money anyway, but it's fine, really. So I was very, very ready to mark country number 7, which never happened, but I guess there's always a next time. We try again. So guys, what do you think? I really love my room. It's really, really beautiful. I don't know what you guys think. So time to take this off and go back to me. So guys, this is just me the next morning. I have just woken up from my beautiful, beautiful room here at Bahrain International Airport, and I'm now going to catch my flight. It's about 10 minutes to 9. My flight is at 9. Sorry, it's 10 minutes to 8. My flight is at 9 o'clock. So really, really enjoyed my night. It was an amazing, amazing experience. This hotel room is worth it and more. It was really, the bed was super, super comfortable. I didn't even want to wake up. The bed sheets were amazing. This was so soft, and I didn't even want to wake up, guys. The pillows, oh my god, so, so comfy, just the way I love them. The rain shower was hot and nice, and all the amenities were provided, everything including a kinyorini. It's like the body scrub. That's how serious this guy. I think it's a 5-star, if I'm not sure, but I got 5-star experience, and I highly, highly, highly recommend. The staff were amazing, and yeah, it was beautiful experience. On a scale of 1 to 10, 11 out of 10 minus to nothing. I have nothing to complain about, really, guys. I was trying to look for something to complain about, but I've got nothing to complain about. Highly, highly recommend. If you're ever stuck at Bahrain International Airport, please do yourself a favor and check in at the Bahrain Airport Hotel. You won't regret it. Oh, sorry, and the rates, let me quickly show you how much it costs. They bill by the hour, starting from 3 hours up to a maximum of 24 hours. So let me just quickly show you the rate card. So guys, these are the rates. So I went to this standard room. I will definitely see you on the next one. Bye, guys.